In this video, we're down at the club room. We're going to be pulling the boards apart. We've already laid some cork and we're going to see some real trains moving. The blue styrene foam that you can see on the baseboard is the cutaway which we're going to use for the cliff front. So far, all we've got is Google satellite views, as you can see here on the board, giving an idea of what the layout is. So I think what we've got to do is to go and have a look at the real stuff so we've got an idea of where we're going. We have created some drawings under any rail to give an idea of where we're going to put the cork. The near side cork is going to be the fiddle yard. Where the spirit level is, we're going to have a scenery break. Google Earth is pretty good, gives you a vertical look, but you don't see the real scenery. So let's go and have a look.
It's a little bit windy today, but we're making the most of it. We're on the coast, we're taking a view of the scenery down there.
From the footpath at the top of the hill, we lose sight of the train, but I can still see and hear the whispers of smoke coming up from the loco. But it will soon come back into view as it continues along a little bit more, and then we can see a bridge where the train's going to go underneath. I caught a better view of this loco later on. This was filmed another day, and you can see in the middle of the picture there's a headland sticking out, and then as we pan to the left there's a small headland, and then as we keep on going you'll see another headland sticking out. These two headlands will be on the corner boards of the layout. I hope this gives you a bit of an idea of what we're trying to achieve at the club room. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or even come down and visit us at the club room. We mainly meet there on a Thursday night, and I think that's about it for tonight. We'll catch you next Thursday.